Welcome to NeuroSystemics, my friends. I want to share with you a surprise. We have some workshops, some online workshops for you. These are structured times then they all have a theme around cognitive embodiment, mind training, of mindfulness, of compassion, of gratitude. A theme around emotion regulation, decreasing negative affect, increasing positive affect. The whole range of our emotional experience as humans, so that we can build these skills and help live a happier life. We also engage in our cognition, how to be more creative, be more playful with life. How can we have goals and yet also feel content in the present moment? These skills, these workshops, they're also going to engage in our relationships, how we build a sense of trust, a sense of safety, a sense of intimacy and love with the people that we cherish. How do we sometimes put boundaries with people that we might feel some discomfort with? So these online workshops are structured times to be able to go into these themes so that we can build skills, that we can have some time for practice, that we can actually learn to put into perhaps a new framework some of these somatic, affective, cognitive, relational skills in a systemic context. That's one of the key joys and jewels of NeuroSystemics. Bringing in that systemic context, which focuses on the relationship between all those parts. Somatic psychology focuses on the body, affective psychology on affect and emotion. Cognitive behavioral focuses a lot on emotion, cognition, and our behavior. And then you have interpersonal work, group work, which focuses a lot on relationships. And in NeuroSystemics, we have an integrative framework, what we call a meta model. And so in these workshops, you're going to learn perhaps how to put these pieces together. Somatics, affect, cognition, and relational skills, so that you can help your clients, so that you can have proper tools, proper interventions, clinical interventions, to help make them grow towards a better integration of their patterns and a sense of healing and release. Changes from addiction to a sense of greater normality, freedom from trauma, releasing their nervous system from overwhelm and freeze. And so we welcome you to these workshops. There's going to be so much fun, so much playfulness, enjoyment, as well as learning skills, because those two actually go together. So we have a positive psychology framework where actually being engaged, and this is shown in nervous system science, being engaged, being connected, and having fun really supports, complements, and cross-fertilizes with our capacity for cognitive functioning and integration and memory. So come and join us for one of these online workshops. We look forward to having you. Welcome.